Hi, and welcome to my presentation on the key to satisfaction. My name is Kaylee Smith, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about work. Now, work. When I say that, you probably cringe internally. It's almost like a bad word in our everyday society. Nobody ever wants to go to work. That's why it's called work, not vacation. But on average, every person spends about 8 hours of their day at work. That's around 2,080 hours per year. I don't know about you, but that's more time than I spend sleeping. It's a really big amount of time. So why would somebody choose to dedicate this amount of time to something that they absolutely despise? Well, you might say, I have to pay the bills, I have to feed the kids. These are all very valid reasons. However, there's no reason why you can't alleviate or even prevent this hatred of the workplace. There is a way, I argue, to be able to work and still enjoy life to the fullest. Now, many of you watching this are probably in college. I know I am. So what I would urge you to do at this point is to think about the future. Right now, there's a lot that you can change in order to prevent this from happening in the future. If you think ahead and you see yourself being happy with what you're doing in maybe 40 years, then you're on the right path. However, if you look ahead and you see yourself getting bored with it, or you don't really love what you're doing, I would urge you to reconsider. If you are a person who really loves music and you're studying math, I would definitely reconsider your options and look ahead to see if you're really going to be happy in the life that you choose. Now, a lot of us who are watching probably don't have the flexibility that comes along with college. If you're already committed to a career path, you think, well, what am I supposed to do? What about me? Well, there are opportunities for you to feel more accomplished in your job as well. I urge you to seek out advancement opportunities in the workplace. Actively seeking out these opportunities can bring about a sense of achievement, which can aid in breaking up the monotonous everyday. Even if you're at a job that you don't like, seeking out advancement opportunities such as promotions and other projects that you could do to help the workplace will bring about a sense of accomplishment and maybe even happiness, even if the job isn't perfect or even remotely enjoyable. This does have a high chance of improving your life for the better. I'm going to have more. That's what I have so far. My third point is about hobbies and work-life balance. So that's going to be in there as well. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you for your feedback.